tuna egg salad melts. So we have 4 hard-boiled eggs. I'm gonna get these chopped up and put them in a bowl. You want them into smaller than bite-sized pieces because you really want them to blend in with the tuna. The thing I love about this is you can eat it cold, but I especially love it under a broiler, a slice of cheese, a little bit of tomato, and it turns into this warm, yummy sandwich. But I'm telling you, if you've never tried it with hard-boiled eggs, I encourage you to do so. So I think an egg salad and a tuna salad is very personal. I like spice in it, so I'm gonna put some jalapenos in. These are pickled jalapenos. They're a little milder. They add a little bit of a spicy bite. And we're just gonna slice right into them. And because they're pickled, they add a nice little tartness. Next, some dill pickles. So I'm gonna just grab one of these guys out of here. And if you wanna use relish, you can. You can add sweet pickles if you like. It really is up to what you wanna do. So we got these pickles chopped up nicely. Get these guys in. Let's get some celery chopped up. This adds a nice bit of crunch. Then we have some onions, scallions, I should say. Now our tuna egg salad needs some tuna. So I've got some drained tuna. These are 2 cans, because I don't want to add any more liquid to this. I like a nice fluffy tuna salad. So we have all of our ingredients. Now we just need to bind it all together. So we got some mustard, 1 tablespoon of Dijon here, because I like that extra bite. This is not a yellow mustard thing here. Gonna go grab the mayo. While I was in the fridge, I got some pepper jack, because I'm gonna lay that on top of an open-faced sandwich and put it under the broiler. It's gonna be amazing. Now let's get some mayo into our mixture. So we need about 1/2 cup. Just wanna bind it together. You don't want it to be too mayo-y. Let's see how that will do. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. I'm holding back a little bit on the salt because there's pickles, there's pickled jalapeno in there. And now I got a little bit of smoked paprika, add a pretty color and a little bit of smokiness. So that's what's in this particular egg tuna salad. Just wanna get it all blended together. Give this a little taste. Yep, that's good. It's a little spicy, it's crunchy. It wouldn't be as good without the eggs. I'm gonna grab a piece of sourdough. So it's gonna go under the broiler. I'm just making one for myself, and I'll have plenty throughout the week. And here's the deal, you don't have to put any mayo or butter on your bread because it's already got mayo in your salad. I want all the crunchy bits, I want all the jalapenos. I love seeing the egg yolks in there. Now we're just gonna slice a little bit of a tomato to put on top. So just lay it right on. And then on top of that, your cheese, because this is gonna be an open face. It's gonna go straight into the broiler. And I like using pepper jack. It's got that extra added spiciness to it. Little peppers all throughout. If you don't like pepper jack, cheddar or Swiss will also work really well here. This is about to become a tuna melt. This should just take a few seconds. Oh yeah, that's so pretty. I love this sandwich, it's just so cute. I wanna get it on the counter. Slice right into it. You can just hear how crunchy the bread toasted up. I mean, that's a Sammy. I suppose I should put it on a plate. A little bit of pepper on top of the tomatoes, and now I'm gonna take a bite. So good! The perfect blend of egg and tuna. It's got all those crunchy, yummy veggies in there. It's so delicious.